Our planet is changing. The effects of climate change are becoming more evident with each passing year. Rising temperatures, unpredictable weather patterns, and increasing pollution levels are all taking a toll on our urban environments. Cities are growing bigger and bigger. Urban areas are expanding at an unprecedented rate, with more people moving to cities in search of better opportunities and lifestyles. This rapid urbanization brings with it a host of challenges, from overcrowding to infrastructure strain. We need new ways to live sustainably. As our cities grow, it's crucial to find innovative solutions to reduce our carbon footprint and create more eco-friendly urban spaces. Renewable energy sources, green buildings, and sustainable transportation are just a few of the initiatives being explored. Domed cities are one idea for the future. These futuristic urban centers are designed to be self-sufficient and environmentally friendly, offering a new way to live in harmony with nature. These cities are covered by a large dome or roof. The dome acts as a protective barrier, shielding the city from harsh weather conditions and external pollutants. They offer protection from the outside world. Inside the dome, the environment can be carefully controlled to ensure optimal living conditions, from air quality to temperature regulation. Domed cities sound like science fiction, but they are gaining interest. As technology advances, the concept of living under a dome is becoming more feasible and attractive to urban planners and environmentalists alike. Scientists and architects are exploring their potential. Research is being conducted to understand the benefits and challenges of domed cities, from energy efficiency to social dynamics. Could domed cities be the answer to our urban challenges? With the right planning and technology, they could provide a sustainable and resilient solution to the problems faced by modern cities. Let's explore this fascinating concept. Imagine walking through a city where the air is always clean, the temperature is always perfect, and nature is integrated into every aspect of urban life. Domed cities offer a glimpse into a different kind of urban life. They promise a future where we can live sustainably without sacrificing comfort or convenience. They could change the way we live, work, and interact with our environment. By rethinking urban design, we can create cities that are not only more sustainable, but also more livable and enjoyable for everyone. Join me as we journey into the world of domed cities. Together, we'll discover how these innovative urban centers could shape the future of our planet and redefine the way we think about city living. The idea of domed cities is not new. Early science fiction writers imagined enclosed cities. They envisioned a future where technology could create controlled environments. These stories sparked our imagination. Buckminster Fuller was a visionary architect. He popularized the geodesic dome. His designs inspired many. One of his famous ideas was the dome over Manhattan. This massive dome would have enclosed a large part of New York City. Domed cities offer many potential advantages. One of the biggest is environmental control. The dome acts as a barrier. It protects the city from harsh weather, pollution, and even natural disasters. Inside the dome, the climate can be carefully controlled. Temperature, humidity, and air quality can be optimized for human comfort. This means no more extreme heat, freezing cold, or smog. Domed cities can also be highly sustainable. They can use renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. Water can be collected, treated, and reused efficiently. Waste can be managed carefully to minimize environmental impact. Section 4. Building a dome engineering challenges. Building a domed city is a massive undertaking. It requires meticulous planning and coordination among various engineering disciplines. It comes with many engineering challenges. From the initial design phase to the final construction, every step is crucial. The dome itself needs to be incredibly strong and durable. Engineers must use materials that can withstand immense pressure and stress. It must withstand extreme weather events like hurricanes and earthquakes. The structural integrity of the dome is paramount to ensure the safety of its inhabitants. Climate control is another major challenge. Engineers need to design systems that can efficiently regulate temperature and humidity. Maintaining a comfortable temperature and humidity inside a massive enclosed space requires advanced technology. These systems must be reliable and energy efficient. Air circulation and ventilation systems need to be carefully designed. Proper ventilation is essential to ensure a healthy living environment. The city needs to be self-sufficient. This includes generating its own energy and producing food within the dome. Life support systems are crucial. These systems monitor and maintain the essential conditions for human life. These systems provide essential resources like clean air, water, and food. They ensure that the inhabitants have everything they need to survive. They also manage waste and ensure the overall health of the environment inside the dome. Effective waste management is vital to prevent contamination and maintain a sustainable ecosystem. Section 5. Domes in Action, Real-World Examples. While domed cities are still largely a concept, there are real-world examples that offer a glimpse into their feasibility. The Eden Project in Cornwall, England, is a series of giant biomes that house diverse plant species. Biosphere 2 in Arizona was an ambitious experiment in closed ecological systems. While not a city, it provided valuable insights into the challenges of creating a self-sustaining environment. These projects demonstrate that creating large-scale enclosed environments is possible. They also highlight the importance of careful planning, advanced technology, and a deep understanding of ecological principles. Section 6. Life under the dome. Social and psychological factors. Living in a domed city would be a unique experience. It raises questions about social dynamics and psychological well-being. How would people adapt to living in an enclosed environment? Community building would be crucial. Creating a sense of belonging and connection in a potentially isolated setting is important. Access to nature and outdoor spaces would be essential for mental well-being. Social equity is also a key consideration. Domed cities should be accessible to all members of society. They should avoid creating divisions or exacerbating existing social inequalities. Section 7. Domed cities, a glimpse into the future. Domed cities represent an innovative approach to urban living in a changing world. These cities, encapsulated under protective domes, are designed to create a controlled environment that can withstand the harshest of external conditions. Imagine a place where the air is always clean, the temperature is always perfect, and the weather is never a concern. They offer a potential solution to challenges like climate change, resource scarcity, and environmental degradation. By isolating the urban environment from external pollutants and extreme weather, domed cities can provide a safe haven for their inhabitants. This isolation also allows for the efficient recycling of resources, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. As technology advances, the feasibility of domed cities will continue to grow. Innovations in construction materials, such as self-healing concrete and transparent aluminum, make these structures more durable and resilient. Additionally, advancements in renewable energy sources like solar and wind power can ensure that these cities are not only self-sufficient, but also environmentally friendly. New materials, renewable energy sources, and sustainable practices could make them a more realistic option in the future. Imagine cities powered entirely by renewable energy, with green spaces and vertical gardens that provide fresh produce year-round. These cities could become models of sustainability, showing the world how to live in harmony with nature. While domed cities may not be the only answer, they encourage us to think creatively about the future of our cities. They challenge us to reimagine urban living and to consider how we can build environments that are resilient, sustainable, and adaptable to the changing needs of our planet. By exploring these ambitious ideas, we can work towards a more sustainable and resilient future for all. The concept of domed cities pushes the boundaries of what is possible, inspiring innovation and encouraging us to think beyond the limitations of our current urban designs. Together, we can create a future where cities are not just places to live, but thriving ecosystems that support and enhance the quality of life for everyone.